Okay, everybody, today we're going to talk about true and false number stories. So in this case, there are going to be three different possibilities. So number one, the statement could be true. Number two, the statement could be false. And number three, the statement could have not enough information for you to tell if it is true or false. Okay, so let's start with some true statements. So if we have something like, let's change our color here, 7 times 8 equals 56. That's a true statement. We know that 7 times 8 is 56. If I say 3 times 4 is greater than 10, that's also a true statement because 3 times 4 equals 12 and 12 is greater than 10, right? Let's see. What if we had 9 plus 5 equals 7 times 2? So sometimes it takes a little bit of like extra math or jotting down your ideas here. So 9 plus 5 is 14. And 7 times 2 is also 14. So you can have equal signs, you can have greater than or less than signs, and then you can have a problem where there are actually two different parts of it, and you have to just see if both sides of the equal sign are equal. Okay? Or we could even have, similar to this one with the 9 plus 5 equals 7 times 2, we could have, let's see, 7 times 1 is less than 2 times 6. And again, if we do a little bit of jotting our information down, so 7 is less than 12. Yes, that's still true. So false statements. So things that are false, let's say we have 2 plus 2 equals 8. So that's a false statement, right? Let's say we have 7 times 3 equals 31. 7 times 3 equals 21, so that one's false. 1 plus 1 equals 11. That one's false. Let's say we have 5 times 6 equals 7 times 4. That one's false because 6 times 5 is 30 and 7 times 4 is 28. So that's also false. So these are false statements. And then ones where there's not enough information, we would have things like 3 times 4. Well, 3 times 4 is a fact, but we're not setting it equal to anything. So when it's not set equal to anything, then that's when you don't have enough information, okay? And then if we had something like 9 million times 4, that's not enough information. If we had 8 minus 3, not enough information. If we had 300 minus 4 times 9 plus 2, that's also not enough information. Since it's not set equal to anything or not greater than or less than anything, then it's not enough information. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you. Thanks for listening. Bye.